Alright. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm your host, Eric. And today we'll talk about the severe weather, where it's at, who's going to get hit, who's not. So we'll check that out right now. Way over in the west, we'll talk about that first. There'll be a chance of thunderstorms out in the west, and then another chance of thunderstorms in this part of the Midwest, where it's circled. And then we're gonna have more action of severe weather down in the south, where it's circled in orange right there. Then we're going to take you flying and take you all the way as close as Michigan. Just trying to see here. This is a new computer screen, so bear with me for a moment. There is a chance of marginal risk of severe weather up in the Upper Peninsula. They got a chance of seeing marginal risk of severe weather, and then just south of that is a slight chance of severe weather. But Michigan, no severe weather expected. So that's pretty much how it is. Most of the Midwest is fairly quiet. Not any rain or nothing. Just plain quiet weather. So I will continue to keep an eye on that for you. That's our radar that you're seeing right now, and it looks like we have some showers that might pop up, and it looks like this section right here has got some showers, and then we definitely will be watching the south and see what kind of action that's going to bring us, and we'll find out which way that's headed. So we'll keep an eye on that for you, and we'll keep an eye on the west as well. So it's going to be a little interesting as we get through the day. We're hoping for some action today, but I will have updates throughout the day, and I'll be watching this time closely. And I'll monitor it a lot more closer than what I normally do, so we'll do something different. So, one moment. Okay, it was just the computer. Whenever you see the computer go blank for a minute, it's just updating. That's all it's doing. So, pretty much that would be it for this update. I will have another update throughout the afternoon and this evening as well, so stay tuned for that. And pretty much for the most part, in Michigan, the weather is good. It looks like it's going to be another nice day out today. So if you get the chance, get out there and enjoy it. We're not expected to see anything. I don't see anything on the radar, so that's nice. So get the chance to get out there and enjoy the nice weather today. I think it's supposed to be, I'll check the temperatures. Let's see. Temperature right now is actually 67 and sunny outside. Those are the current conditions that I have currently right now. So it's 67 degrees outside, and we're going to have sunny skies today. So that's going to be very, very nice. anytime that sun should be popping out in Michigan. But if you live in the Upper Peninsula, you're gonna have an isolated chance of some severe weather, which means that not everybody gets severe weather, but maybe a couple of isolated spots may see some severe weather. So keep the umbrellas handy if you can, just in case. So that kind of, just looking at something else. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up my report for now, and I will be back later on this afternoon, and I'll have more on the rest of our severe weather update. Maybe in a couple of hours we might see some action. I'm not exactly sure what time we're gonna start seeing action today. I'm gonna ask that question to my expert. When do you think we might see some action out of this?
The real action will possibly make it our way on the 20th and the 21.
Go ahead.
That much action going on right now. I mean,
So I was right.
They dissipated when we woke up this morning. There were some thunderstorms in Shiawassee County, but they dissipated and turned into rain. And it's going to be dry today and then more pleasant this afternoon. We don't have dew points, enough moisture for us to have strong to severe weather.
You're right. You're absolutely right. Yep, there's nothing on the radar. Everything's quiet this morning. But like I said, there's an isolated chance that the Upper Peninsula could see, like up in Watts, Michigan, Marquette, Michigan, up in those areas could see a chance of isolated severe weather, but not everybody will get severe weather. So you know, moderate risk means isolated severe. It doesn't mean that everybody gets that, so I'm just pointing that out. So Michigan is pretty much fine. Just about all of us in Michigan, we're not going to see much of anything. It's going to stay quiet. It's going to be sunny outside. So it's going to be a very nice day, so you might be able to get out there and enjoy it, go for a walk, take the kids to the park if you wanted to do that. Pretty much just enjoy the day. That's all we ask for. I'm trying to think here. I believe that wraps up the severe weather update. Does it not?
Well,
does that wrap it up?
Before we wrap it up, so far there's no severe weather updates right now to come along. I mean, the dew point is too dry for southeastern Michigan, and more of the Cape is more stronger in west of Michigan and Upper Peninsula Michigan, and it didn't have all the energy for southeastern Michigan to come along with the Cape, the winds, and it didn't get all together, and the moisture didn't get there. We have some of the lift today. I mean, it just didn't get all together today, and more active weather is coming our way. I don't want to jump the gun about the 20th and 21. I did not want to jump the gun because it's 10 days away, and then it's possibly we could deal with more severe weather making it our way. That it could be very active and could be getting going wrong for bad weather with these temperatures subtropical right now for May, and temperatures that could even reach in the 90s going on as well this week. Mostly in western Michigan, though, temperatures in the 90s now. And just so you know, everybody needs to make sure you have a plan where to go, and because active weather is coming our way, mostly in middle of May and June, and things start calming down after this active weather pattern. I do not know if this will continue in July and August. I do not know right now because they're saying we're supposed to have 2 to 3 above average tornadoes in the outlook in Michigan, and they're saying that it's supposed to be a greater risk of tornadoes in June and possible tornadoes in June. No, not June, but May. Possible tornadoes in May. Greater tornadoes in further deep south of Michigan. And that's where we need to monitor the GFS models and NAM models and RAP models all together. Me and Eric are monitoring the situation. We'll let you know when it's getting closer right now, but I do not want to jump the gun right now until this gets closer, but this possibly we could deal with active weather in when 10 days come along.
That makes perfect sense. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us, and we will have an update later on this afternoon.
Yes.
Okay? You guys have a great day, and we'll see you later.
You too.